Can you really make money using Google? Not ads, not products, just by interacting with AI? That's what GooglzCash claims, but is it real? Let's find out. This is for total beginners and people tired of complicated online income systems. If you're looking for an easy shortcut, also keep watching, because we'll separate marketing from reality. GooglzCash Loophole is a paid system that teaches you a specific method involving Google's AI to earn money. The sales page makes bold claims, but that's marketing. What you actually get is training, tools, and a monetization setup. Step-by-step training, bonuses, works worldwide, refund window. That's real, but claims like $67 every time you use Google are promotional language to get you to click. And yes, you should be skeptical. Most real income systems require effort and understanding of traffic, conversion, or value exchange. So don't think this is money without work. Unlike an affiliate marketing course that teaches you brand building or email lists, this is more like a low-entry experiment. Some users report results, others see small gains. It depends on how you use it. If you think this could fit your style, check the link in my description to test it with the current bonuses and the long refund window. Only click if you're ready to experiment, not gamble.